Hello folks, this is Sam Hessad speaking, and today I will talk to you about the Six Sigma. It is a very good business strategy and a very hot topic. We will see what is Six Sigma, and we will see how to get certified in Six Sigma, and we will see what are the benefits of Six Sigma. Stay tuned. The term Six Sigma refers to a set of quality control tools that businesses can use to eliminate defects and improve processes to help boost their profits. It was developed by a scientist in the 1980s while he was working at Motorola. Six Sigma is a statistical and data-driven process that works by limiting mistakes and defects. It is a management ideology that focuses on statistical improvements to a business process and advocates for qualitative measurements of success. As such, Six Sigma practitioners are business people who use statistics, financial analysis, and project management to achieve improved business functionality. It is also a training and certification program which teaches the core principles of Six Sigma. Practitioners may achieve the Six Sigma certification belt levels ranging from white belt to black belt. It is also a philosophy which promotes the idea that all business processes can be measured and optimized. Six Sigma has evolved into a more general business management philosophy, focusing on meeting customer requirements, improving customer retention, and improving and sustaining business products and services. Six Sigma applies to all industries. Many vendors, including Motorola itself, offer Six Sigma training with special certifications carrying the names of Yellow Belt, Green Belt, and Black Belt. Practitioners of the Six Sigma method follow an approach called DMAIC. This acronym stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. DMAIC is a statistically driven methodology that companies implement as a mental framework for business process improvement. According to the ideology, a business may solve any seemingly unsolvable problem by following the 5 DMAIC steps. First, a team of people led by a Six Sigma champion defines a faulty process on which to focus. Decided through an analysis of company goals and requirements. This definition outlines the problem, goals, and achievables for the project. Second, the team measures the initial performance of the process. These statistical measures make up a list of potential inputs which may cause a problem and help the team understand the process's benchmark performance. Third, the team analyzes the process by isolating each input or potential reason for the failure and testing it as the root of the problem. The team uses analytics to identify the reason for process errors. Fourth, the team works from there to improve system performance. Fifth and last, the group adds controls to the process to ensure it doesn't regress and become ineffective once again. As noted above, individuals can obtain Six Sigma certification, which prove their professional skills. These certifications are awarded through a belt system similar to karate training. These belt levels are: white belt. Individuals with a white belt have not gone through any formal training or certification. This belt gives a professional a basic framework which allows them to take part in certain quality control and waste reduction projects. Yellow belt. This level provides additional training beyond the white belt level. Yellow belts can become contributing project team members. They may help managers who have higher belts. Green belt. Those who pass this level must take part in a complete course that trains them to come up with process improvement techniques. The green belt certification is ideal for individuals who work in certain industries, such as project or financial management, as well as healthcare. Graduates often become project leaders. Black belt. People who graduate from the green belt level can move up to the black belt certification. Successful graduates can break down and deal with more complex jobs and projects. They are taught how to tackle large-scale changes that can impact their company through Lean Six Sigma projects. People with a black belt can become masters or champions. Someone with a master black belt is considered an expert and strong leader with excellent problem-solving skills. A champion is a Six Sigma leader who can maximize profits through the elimination of waste and defects. You can get certified by going through courses offered by certain schools or companies. Keep in mind though that there is no unified standard for the courses. As such, the curriculum for Six Sigma certification varies, may be different, which means individual courses can vary depending on the offering entity.